Mrs. Amundson, students. 6.5 attributes of 3D shapes. Can you name and identify the parts of a 3D shape?
Yes.
All right, here we go. We know an attribute is something that you describe or it's a part of something. Question. What kind of shape is this?
2D shape.
What kind of shape is this?
3D shape.
So we have a 2D and a 3D. I need everyone to talk to me here though, okay? A 2D shape has how many dimensions?
2.
So base and height, right?
Yeah.
A 3D shape has how many dimensions?
3.
It has a base and a height as well, right?
Yeah.
The one difference is it actually has a
Width.
parallel. Two lines are two shapes that never do what?
Intersect.
Where's the base usually located on a shape?
Bottom.
A face is what kind of surface? It's a flat surface of a 3D shape. An edge is basically a what? This is basically a line or a line segment, right? Vertex is basically a what? So if you think edge, line, vertex, point, face, like the whole shape that makes up a side of a shape, you're good. We good? Prisms. Here we go. A prism is what kind of shape?
3D shape.
It has two parallel what? Two parallel what?
Faces.
It has two congruent.
Faces.
What's congruent mean? Same. And then what's true about its bases? They're always going to be what?
Opposite.
So if you have that, you have a prism. On the flip side, we have a pyramid. A pyramid is also a kind of shape.
3D shape.
But how many bases does a pyramid have?
1.
What do the faces and edges form together? Which is also called a... I don't see everybody talking. I need everybody's eyes. Everyone talking. These aren't hard questions. How many bases does a prism have again?
2.
How many bases does a pyramid have again?
1.
If this is my shape, how many bases do you see on this shape? So is it a pyramid or a prism? Say again? What is this? What are these things called that I'm... They're like the straight lines, right? What are these things called? They're just points, right? If you have more than one vertex, you actually have... Are you able to count, like on this particular shape, would you be able to count the number of faces it has? The edges? The vertices? This kind of looks like a Kleenex box, doesn't it? Does this also kind of look like a Kleenex box? Sweet. Why is this called a pentagonal pyramid? Why is this called a pentagonal pyramid, Jeffrey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its base is a pentagon, yes? The 5 red dots are its vertices. I'm sorry, the 6 red dots are its vertices. The edges would be all of these things, right? And then we also got to count the bottom, so there's 10 of them there. And then the faces are really hard for me to show, but you would have to count how many shapes together make this 3D shape. Yes? We good?